Man, I'm so really bored.
Me too.
Yeah.
This is so hot in this studio.
I agree, bestie. It's too hot.
Hey guys. I have some good news.
What is it, Jenny?
I have 4 tickets to go on the boat trip tomorrow.
Wow. Spectacular.
Boat trip?
Oh boy, boat trip.
This is gonna be fun, having a boat trip with my wife, Erika.
You got that right, Jacob.
Me too, Jacob and Erika. It's so much fun having our boat trip.
I agree with you, my precious Prince Connor.
Same here, sis.
Me too, Tilly.
Here's for you, here's for you, here's for you, and here's for me.
But we're going to.
I think we're going to Paris.
Paris. France?
Wait a minute. I thought the boat doesn't go through Paris.
I'm wondering that too, Jacob.
Same here, Jacob and Erika.
No, I think it goes to the beach.
I see.
I know, right, Jacob.
Well, looks like Connor brought his fiancée TootsieSH along with her sister TillyKH and TommyKH with him.
You got that right, Jacob.
Oh my precious Prince Connor, we are together forever, no matter what happens to us.
I know, right, my precious Princess Tootsie.
Hey guys.
We decided to come along since Nico is Connor's good friend.
I agree. I got my swim trunks and everything in my bag.
And I have my swimsuit and everything in my bag.
Wow, Nico and Nicoette, it looks like you are ready to go.
We sure are, Connor.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the beach tomorrow.
Tickets to the beach, please?
Okay, now coming.
Ooh.
Wow. Spectacular.
Well, what do you think?
Fantastic.
Huh? Hey!
I'm sorry, I'm riding in the boat right now along with Jazzi.
Hi, Bubblegum and Jazzi.
Calm down, Justine. Miss Sam will give you a hug.
Agreed, Jacob Furrier.
The lunch is ready.
Yes. Lunchtime.
And what's your lunch?
Today's lunch is sausages, fried chicken, and tofu nuggets. Plus additional chocolate cake and chocolate shake.
Wow. Chocolates.
I agree, Jenny.
Here's your sausages and tofu nuggets, Mr. Justine.
Thank you.
Wow, this chocolate shake and chocolate cake are so tasty.
I agree with you, my precious Prince Connor.
Same here, Tootsie.
I agree, girls.
Yum! This chocolate cake is so tasty.
I agree with you, Bubblegum.
This is so much fun in the swimming area on the ship.
You said it, Miss M.
Hey, look at me!
Good one, bestie.
Thank you, Miss M.
Wow! It looks like you had a lot of fun in the swimming area on that ship.
We sure are, Nico and Nicoette.
Watch me!
And I can do a cartwheel flip. Watch me!
Wow, Nicoette. That was an awesome trick.
I'm glad you liked it, my darling.
Missy, are you having fun in the swimming area?
I sure am, Terry.
Nico, my good friend, are you having fun in the swimming area?
I sure am, Connor.
What about you, Nicoette?
I sure am, Tootsie. This is so much fun.
I'm glad you are, Nico and Nicoette.
Well, I'm going to change my clothes in the bedroom.
But where's the bedroom?
Inside the ship.
Wait, we have a bedroom inside our ship?
Yes, we do, Nico.
Well, that makes sense.
Wow, that was fun.
I agree, Jacob Furrier.
So Jacob, do you want to play handheld games in the bedroom?
Okay.
Say, my darling, wanna watch some TV along with Connor and Tootsie?
Of course, Nicoette.
Oh, hey Nico and Nicoette.
We're so glad we have you with us.
Oh, hey, Connor and Tootsie.
We heard you guys are watching TV.
Don't be there about me, Dave.
Oh yeah, how about burn your butts?
Who's that girl on the TV?
See for yourself.
My butt is on fire. Ouch.
Oh my god, it's Betty McLain of the B Gang. I never fought with her before.
I agree, Nico.
This ugly slut is up to no good.
I'm glad Dave took care of that no-good Nick McLain sister.
Take that, Betty. Now get out.
It's been one of those days.
Don't be sad, bestie. I'm still your bestie.
You're right.
Hey, look, guys.
What is it?
Yeah, what is it?
There's an island here.
Wow! An island? Right in our distance?
Yup, Nicoette.
Hey Jazzi, did you see that?
Is that island? With sand and buildings? Well, it looks like it.
Everyone, welcome to the island of Sara.
Wow!
Look, Miss M. It's just like you and Jenny went to the beach with Stephanie Silvestro.
Yeah.
Shall we have fun at the beach, Justine?
Sure. Now let's go.
Well, this is the best vacation ever.
I agree, Jerry.
Same here, my cow.
Well, the water feels nice at the beach.
I agree, my darling.